4,700. So for last few weeks the market was in selling, so it is quite natural for the market to give a bounce back, but it has also hinted that the market had really taken some support around this 4,620. The next day the price opened, you can see this very dull black color line that indicates the price opening. So you can see these vertical grids that indicates the price opening. The next day the price opened around 4,710 and it provided a clear momentum and it took some support around 4,720, and you can see that on the previous time when the market hits this the same scenario happened on the previous time, where the market took some support around 4,720 and it tried to give a bounce back, but it was a clear failure. The same thing happened. The price, once it reaches this 4,720, it took some support around 4,720, but this time it broke this 4,720 and it went above the average. So what we expected on that day was that we expected that the market will continue in selling till 4,820, but the market clearly broke this zone. That indicates the price was gaining some buying momentum, so it went up till 4,900. So on from 10/10/2012 we decided that the market has got the ability to move higher till 4,760, having 4,760 as a stop loss zone. Let us see what happened. Then the price went up till 4,960, where from there it came down. So after that it is a very long consolidation for the last 2 days on 11th and 12th. You can see the market was consolidating a lot, struggling to move above 4,900. So what we can do for this week, let us go back and see what happened in the international market. So the international pricing, you can see this is the same 1 hour chart which we are following, the price along the vertical y-axis and the date along the x-axis. So this is the reality what happened in the international pricing, where this is the zone where the market picked the momentum and it went up till $93.6. From there it dropped down, and you can see this is the 2 days consolidation which we witnessed in the MCX, because it is struggling to move above $92.6. So the resistance zone here is $92.6, where the market is struggling. As you all know that we are following this 2 moving average line. We have converted into channels. Whenever the price is staying within this line, there is a equal probability for both the buyers and sellers. But when we see the pattern, it has taken a good resistance around this zone, because you can see once the price entered into the zone, the price tried to move higher and put something above that. Again it found a resistance and it came down on 12th. Again it went up but couldn't break this $92.6. So a failure pushed it to the lower band of the average till $91.2. So the price again it get some momentum and it was staying there. This is the zone where the MCX closed, which marks 4,000. Let us see that where it closed, 4,850. Now the price after the Sunday the market opened and there was a drop, so the price is staying around the low of $91.13, which it hits on Friday, which means that it is likely to open. This is the low which was created on Friday. It is likely to open around 4,840. This is a zone where we can expect a crude to open. So what we can do for this week is that so till this is going to be the key zone for crude traders, 4,820 and 4,800. If the price breaks sustains, the price should sustain this 4,820 and 4,800 in order for the crude market to maintain its buying momentum, because just after breaking this zone very clearly the price went up. So went 100 points, more than 100 points. So we can, because it is also the convergence of the average is also happening within this zone, so that makes this zone a crucial zone. So till 4,820 you can go for buying and mark this zone. 4,800 and 4,820 is going to be very crucial for crude traders, because if the price couldn't break, and today's opening is also going to make a huge role. The price opening will be more or less within this 4820. Since it is expected, you can see the market is taking some resistance around $91.2. If the price fails to break $91.2, and if the price sustains to break and if the price breaks this $90, again it will be a continuation of the downtrend which we witnessed in crude on the last few weeks. You can see crude was dropping from a very huge range. So please make a note, and please trade with stop loss. Don't ever do a trade without any stop loss. If the price breaks this 4820 and 4800, it can be a possible reversal in the trend. And if you have any buy position, just place a stop loss in and around the zone. And if the price drops, and then if it picks some support around 4760, if it breaks this 4800 again, you can go for a buying again. So it is going to be a very riskier zone. So if for the buyers, please make a note that if the price closes below 4800, it can go for a sell trend also. So that is a good news for the sellers. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.